Okay. Subukan nating na linawin tong concern na to, no? Tong LCIF concern na to. Kinomento to sa LCIF Facebook group at I think na delete to or na block or na ban, no? Kasi nasa rules to eh. Pero anyway, sagutin ko yung concern. Sabi niya, calorie deficit is the god of all diet. Once mastered, sunod-sunod na yung low carb and fasting nang di mo namamalayan. Okay, so parang sinasabi niya, gawin mo yung calorie deficit and then madali na, susunod na lang no, yung low carb and fasting nang di mo namamalayan. So, pag ginawa mo yung calorie deficit, meaning input siya, output would be low carb and fasting. So, maling-mali yun, no? Calorie deficit is actually an output, not an input. Okay? Baligtad yung sinasabi niya na gawin mo lang yung calorie deficit, madali mo na magagawa yung low carb and intermittent fasting. Hindi. Actually, pag ginawa mo yung low carb and fasting, which is the input, madali na yung calorie deficit. Hindi mo na iisipin. Eventually, over time, you will be doing calorie deficit. Not because you want to do calorie deficit, but because you are your body is forcing you to do calorie deficit. So hindi mo ginagawa yung calorie deficit dahil kailangan mong gawin yung calorie deficit para pumayat, no? Hindi. Wala ka lang choice kundi maging calorie deficit dahil yung katawan mo mismo yung nagsasabing busog ka na, tama na. Therefore, magiging calorie deficit ka because your body is forcing you to do so. Not because, ay hindi, pipilitin ko mag-calorie deficit. Kasi the problem with calorie deficit ang uunahin mo, no? You won't be able, or most of us won't be able to actually be successful with it kasi merong ghrelin, merong hunger hormone. Kaya nga sinasabi, calorie deficit, nasa utak mo, madali lang gawin yung calorie deficit. Madali lang talagang isipin yon. But the problem is, you're not a machine. Merong hormones na involved. When you do calorie deficit, kapag ka ginutom mo yung sarili mo, your body will tell you na hindi tama yan. So kumain ka pa. That is ghrelin. That is the ghrelin hormone or yung hunger hormone. So, doon sa mga nagsasabi na madalas na calorie deficit lang yan. Kaya nga nahihirapan mag-calorie deficit yung mga nagsasabi mag-calorie deficit because yung hunger hormone, yung ghrelin. Okay? So, baligtad to. Hindi siya calorie deficit, ang gawin mo, madali na yung low carb, susunod na yan, low carb and fasting. Hindi, baliktad yun. You do low carb and fasting, then susunod, madali na yung calorie deficit even if you don't do calorie deficit. Why? Because yung hunger hormone, yung ghrelin, is not triggered that much. So yung katawan mo, tinutulungan ka niya. Hindi triggered masyado yung hunger hormone, yung ghrelin, kaya hindi ka masyado mahihirapan dun sa calorie deficit. So again, calorie deficit is a result, not a cause. It's an output, not an input.